Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dietitian Smera. Live healthy with healthy eating. Are you concerned about the eating pattern of your kids? For most parents, meal times are stressful and sometimes the dining table becomes a battlefield. I know most of the parents and grandparents are concerned about the eating pattern of your kids because sometimes when they eat, they will depend on unhealthy foods. So in this video, I am going to tell you 10 tips that will help you to feed your child with healthy foods. And in the end of the video, I am going to tell you the superfoods that should be included in your kids' daily diet. Number 1, do not force them to finish the plate. One of the biggest mistakes that parents and grandparents make is to punish or bribe the child to finish the plate. Never make meal plays a battlefield because it will create only bad experiences, and negative meal experiences are created by punishing the child, and the child will become less sensitive to his or her hunger and fullness. Tip number 2, eat with your children. Make meal times more pleasurable. Switch off your television and also discuss day's events. Family eating not only promotes home cooked meals but also encourages social interaction. Of course, if the meal times are pleasurable, your child is more likely to eat food. Encourage your child to sit at the table for the designated meal time even if he or she doesn't eat. Tip number 3, respect your child's appetite. Don't force a meal or snack if your child is not hungry. Likewise, don't bribe or force your child to eat certain food or to clean his plate. For example, if you're telling your child that I will give you chocolates that if you eat spinach or broccoli, because this will only ignite the power struggle over the food, and also serve very small portions. If you serve small portions of food, it will avoid overwhelming your child and give him the opportunity independently to ask more food. Tip number 4, make food fun. Kids always love to play games. So what you have to do is relate the healthy foods to their favorite cartoon character which they like most and makes mealtime a game time. I assure you this will do wonders. Tip number 5, restrict snacking between the meals. Snacking between the meals is the biggest problem that prevents your child from taking proper and healthy meals. Some childs are taking salty chips, biscuits and chocolates in between the meals. This will suppress their appetite, and if the child is not feeling hungry at the meal time, they are less likely to eat food. Water is the best option for your child in between the meals because water will improve their memory, attention and mood. Never give milk in between the meals. It is better to give milk early in the morning and before the bedtime. Tip number 6, get creative with foods. For example, make rainbow with different color fruits or use cookie cutters to cut vegetables and fruits into different shapes like star shape, heart shape, which your child likes. And also miniature foods are also doing wonders like mini rotis, mini pancakes or broccoli as baby tree. I'm sure it will catch some attention. Tip number 7, let children have their choices. Children love to eat food of their choices. So let them make their choices within the healthier food options and prepare it for them. This will make them more important and special. Tip number 8, get your kids involved in cooking. If your children are involved in cooking, they will be more interested in eating what they have created. Tip number 9, do not feed junk food or unhealthy food to your child. Doing this will make your child develop a palate for the salty and processed food, and your child hates everything that you cook at home. Cut back on junk. Remember, it's you, not your child, is responsible for the foods that enter your house. So if you have few junk foods around, you can force your child to eat more healthy foods. Tip number 10, establish a routine. Children likes it when things are same. So set regular meal times and also sit in the same place for every meal. Next, we are going to see the superfoods for your child. What are superfoods? Superfoods are the foods that are not refined, not processed and not preserved. They are very close to their natural source. and it is rich in essential fats, protein, vitamins and minerals, and also the superfoods will improve the brain function and immunity of your child. Number 1 is yogurt. Yogurt is the best source of protein and calcium for your child, and also it has good bacteria which promotes the immune system and healthy digestion. Number 2, sweet potatoes. More colorful the fruits and vegetables, the more healthier it is. It is rich in phytochemicals. Phytochemicals are responsible for disease fighting ailments. So sweet potatoes are best for your kids. It is rich in beta carotene, vitamin E, vitamin B6 and potassium. Number 3, carrots. Carrots are rich in number of immunity boosting vitamins and antioxidants. The most important is beta carotene, the antioxidant that gives carrots a bright orange color. During digestion, beta carotene is converted to vitamin A nutrient crucial for proper immune system functioning. Number 4, eggs. Eggs are best for your child. They are the excellent sources of protein, iron, vitamins and choline, and this choline helps in brain development. Number 5, avocados. Avocados are a creamy vegetable fruit that provides a terrific source of the good fat called monounsaturated fat. Monounsaturated fats are essential part of proper growth and development. Avocado can boost your kids' brain and eye health. Number 6, organic chicken. Chicken is the best source of protein for your child. By purchasing certified organic chicken will help to eliminate harmful additives, medications and hormones from your child's diet. Number 7, beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are the good sources of fiber and protein. If your child is suffering from constipation, they lack fiber in their diet, and beans and lentils are the best options. Number 8, oats. Oats happen to be a good source of vitamins and minerals. They are a fantastic source of fiber too. Number 9, berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, cherries, etc. are rich in antioxidants, and the anthocyanins present in these berries will help to improve the eyesight of your child. Number 8, fish. Fish has greater health benefits for your kids' brain and eyes because it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Mackerel, herring, tuna, salmon and sardine have high omega-3 content. Number 9, spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of iron, folic acid, calcium, vitamin A and vitamin C. And these vitamins and minerals are essential for bone growth and brain growth. If your child doesn't like the taste of spinach, add it in some of their favorite dishes like egg omelette or chicken soups. Number 10, banana. Banana are loaded with potassium. The potassium neutralizes the sodium that may be present in your child's diet and thereby makes your child's bones strong. Number 11, beetroot. A superfood is a nutrient-dense food that is rich in minerals, vitamins, antioxidants and fiber, helps to prevent anemia and excellent for brain. You can make beetroot juice, beetroot pulao, beetroot paratha or beetroot hummus for your kid. I hope this video will going to help you a lot in feeding your child. If you have any queries, please comment on my inbox. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.